Today's digital blogger orders the core specifications of digital exposure Vivo's latest flagship X100 Pro Plus oversized. This time the configuration can really be called Thanos. It can even be said to be a major competitor of Huawei Mate 60 series this year. Your thoughts are enough to pose a huge threat. Core equipped with Qualcomm 8G 3 LPDDR5X plus UFS 4.06 78-inch plus 120 Hz. IMX989 variable aperture plus 50 MPM x758 portrait plus world premiere to 100 million telephoto. The world's first self-developed V3 chip makes imaging capabilities further. Ultrasonic fingerprint recognition, IP68 waterproof 5000 mAh plus 100 watts plus 50 watts harmless 5, USB 3.2.1 and so on. All of which are expected and unexpected are equipped. It is a lot of pressure for the next competitors. The models, especially the telephoto end, have been selected to 200 million pixels. Is it really benchmarking the camera? In addition to the regular configuration, the system will also usher in a big upgrade this time. First Android One for our Vibration S 4.0 system, widely used on Huawei such as super endpoints, also come to Vivo. It is expected to build its own ecological network. This time, it will also use the IP68 level fuselage waterproof and fully equipped flagship. This time, the starting price of 699 yuan has been maintained. Do you think the oversized cup is worth buying for 6,999 yuan? This is the